Thank you for viewing this short demo of CAPSS First. CAPSS First is a California pawn and secondhand dealer system reporting tool that you and your employees will love. Today, we'll be following along with an employee of a pawn shop who is purchasing a saw and filing a property transaction report using CAPSS First. In addition to watching the employee create the transaction in CAPSS First, we'll show the same transaction being submitted through the DOJ's basic submission system in the bottom left. First, the employee will go to create a new customer. Instead of typing in the customer's information by hand, he will scan the barcode on the back of the customer's ID to import their information automatically. The customer will be saved and be able to be reused on multiple transactions. Next, the employee will create a transaction. He'll enter the transaction, ticket, or pawn number, select a transaction type, and select the customer he just created. Now, he'll add items to his transaction, choosing the article type from a list provided by the DOJ, entering the amount paid, a description of the item purchased, and any other identifiers that are relevant. Now it's time to collect a signature and fingerprint from his customer. Using our integration with Topaz Systems signature pads and thumbprint readers, these can be captured in a single click. No creating, uploading, or saving files required. With the customer created, transaction created, items added, and biometrics captured, it's now time to submit the transaction to the Department of Justice. CAPSS First does this automatically and instantly with a single click, and the results are presented in real time. The employee who was using the basic submission system provided by the DOJ hadn't even started entering the item details yet. With our innovative customer management and ID scanning tools, simple interfaces, and one-click biometrics capture, CAPSS First reduces data entry times by over 50% for pawnbrokers, jewelry buyers, coin stores, and secondhand dealers. To sign up or learn more, visit capssfirst.com or send an email to contact@capssfirst.com to schedule a personalized demo. Thank you for viewing this short demo of CAPSS First.